been so nervous on pins and needles since I got the call about the bomb attack. My phone hasn't stopped ringing. The press is on this like white on rice.
Scary day for South Danger Park. A man walked into her office looking for her and threatened to set off a bomb. The man was a knife shopper. Drama.
Can you just tell us a little bit about what happened?
He and I are good friends, probably now for
Hi, Benny.
See that?
Yeah.
Nice.
Hey, Benny.